Hello friends, in today's video we present how to study chapters thoroughly and effectively and become a topper in exams, the top 9 study tips. Friends, are you tired of feeling stressed out when the exam season is around the corner? Well, you are in luck because in this video we are going to dive into the world of effective studying and learn how to thoroughly study chapters. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is start by understanding the structure of the chapter. Take a few minutes to read through the headings, subheadings, and any accompanying images. Friends, the second tip is create a study plan. Decide how much time you will dedicate to each section of the chapter and make sure to stick to it. Friends, the third tip is take notes as you read. Use abbreviations, symbols, and your own words to condense the information and make it easier to remember. Friends, the fourth tip is test yourself. Try creating flashcards, taking practice quizzes, or summarizing the information in your own words. Friends, the fifth tip is practice active learning. Instead of just reading, try teaching the material to someone else or creating a mind map to visualize the information. Friends, the next step is stay organized. Use highlighters, colored pens, or sticky notes to categorize information and make it easier to find it at a later stage. Friends, the next step is use audio and visual aids. Try listening to lectures or watching videos related to the material which you are studying. Friends, the next step is make connections. Try to relate the information which you are studying to real life situations or with the things which you already know. And friends, the ninth tip is take periodic breaks. Studying for hours on end is not sustainable or effective. So take regular breaks to give your brain a rest. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on how to study chapters thoroughly and effectively and become a topper in exams. The top 9 study tips. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.